Let me start by saying this. I love using monopod when I'm taking photos, and I love monopods even more when I'm filming with a smartphone and a gimbal. It's a great combo. If you watched my last video, which was a hands-on tutorial filming this amazing sunrise in Port Perry, Ontario, Canada, this is where I was using one of the monopods from iFootage Cobra 3 series. My height is 5'9.5", and as you can see from the photo, this is quite tall monopod. In this video, I will show you the whole series of these monopods. They are all slightly different and they are worth checking out. This is by far the best monopod I ever used. iFootage provided this whole set. However, I'm not being paid or told what to say. Ahoy, this is Zdenka. If you are into photography and video, consider subscribing. iFootage Cobra 3 series has many monopods to choose from. There is a pedal version set and original version set. I've got here C180F, C180FP, and A180T. Monopod comes in a protective carry case. The maximum payload for all monopods is 8 kilograms, which is quite a lot. I reviewed in the past one of their monopods from 2 series, and there are many great changes in the series 3. First of all, these legs are much longer, so there's a less chance of flipping the monopod over. Let's start with the C180FP. It's made of carbon fiber. The weight is 1.27 kilograms. The body has flip locks, and at the bottom is a pedal. When the monopods are folded, the length is the same, which is 69 centimeters. The maximum heights are slightly different. This one goes to 181 centimeters. It has several sections that you can all take apart as you need. The first section is this quick release head. Press down the ring. This is how you detach it. If you want to attach it, place it in and push down. It will lock in place very quick. The mounting plate has 2 screws, 3/8 on the outside and 1/4 inch on the inside. The body can be detached the same way, so now you can use this base as a small tripod on a table, for example. The flip locks are quite sturdy. There is also an adjustable buckle tool attached in case you ever need it. Let's check out the base. If you press the pedal, you can tilt the monopod in any direction you like. The maximum tilt is 40 degrees. Press again to lock it back to a straight position. You can also adjust the smoothness with this rubber ring. The legs on the base are now bigger, 15 centimeters, instead of 12 centimeters, which was on the previous series. Much better stability. It has 3 positions, it clicks into them. The red button unlocks the legs so you can fold them. There is a soft rubber at the bottom. So this was C180FP monopod. I will talk about the tripod head, which is Komodo K5S, a little bit later in the video, but now let's look at the other 2 monopod models. This is C180F, the lightest of all. It's 1.15 kilograms. Maximum height is 181 centimeters. It's also made of carbon fiber. It has the same flip locks, but what is different is the base. It doesn't have a pedal, but it has a knob. This one can be tilted all around, and at this point it can go all the way up to 90 degrees tilt. A 180T is the last one I have here. This one has a different body. It's made of aluminum alloy. The weight is 1.25 kilograms. Maximum height is 182 centimeters, and it doesn't have flip locks, but twist locks. Turn to the left to unlock, extend, turn to the right to lock. These locks have very soft rubber, so it is quite pleasant for hands. The base has a knob, so you can tilt this one 90 degrees as well. There is a number of other accessories you can get, such as phone mount, C-Star, HL1 C4 light, and a K5S tripod head. I generally use the monopod with gimbals or with this tripod head. Well, now it's the time to talk about the tripod head, which is Komodo K5S. It has a new design. Maximum payload is 5 kilograms. Counterbalance payload is 2.5 kilograms. The weight is 820 grams. They redesigned a few things here. The base diameter is bigger, so that means better stability. The tilt control is bigger, so it's now easier to turn. I also noticed that this red knob on the other side is now much bigger, which is great. It was hard to tighten on the previous version. The gearing system is also bigger, and iFootage says that it is now more accurate for movement. You can turn it all the way here and here. There you have it. I love using their monopod because when you work with it on a location, as I did for example in Port Perry, you will realize how versatile this really is. If you need to take the monopod out of the base, just quick release, you are ready to go. If you need it to stand in one spot, push it into the base and you are done. The same thing as always, all the products are listed below the video in a video description for those interested. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Leave a comment what you think about these monopods and perhaps check out one of these videos next. See you in the next one. Ciao, ahoy!